Welcome back guys, how's your week been? It's very cold here in Melbourne. Hope you're having nice weather. So what's up? It's been a month since our last giveaway. It's time to do another one. What do you reckon? The prize this time is 3 more weeks, the 2-in-1 pen holder from Louis Creations. If you have watched my first episode of the Pointer Pen Calligraphy for the Beginners, you will have known how great this little friend is. They are an oblique pen holder as well as a straight holder, with an adjustable flange that can fit almost all sizes of nibs and a little compartment that can hold 4 to 5 nibs inside. To get a chance to take these babies home, first you need to be my subscriber, of course, and then answer a simple question that I'm going to ask at the end of this video, and I will pick one lucky winner in the next episode. Now, let's go through our today's alphabet. Capital H and 2 new lowercases P and Y with the word happy. Since this is a popular word that people will use on many occasions, I'll demonstrate to decorate it in a couple of ways at the end of the video. Well, let's get started. Capital H. A compound curved entrance stroke that surrounds the first ascending line. Follow with the S curve with the extended tail. And then a stroke goes across the S curve like an upright capital C. Lowercase p. A thick down stroke from the first ascending line to the first descending line. Follow with a compound curve. Here is another P people would commonly write. Lowercase y. Begin with a compound curve and then a descending loop. I'm going to skip the lowercase a since we have done it so many times in our previous episodes. So now let's join the letters together using the minimum ink that can help you to see more clearly how each stroke is written. Let's do it again with the nib fully loaded. Many people found the word happy is difficult to be decorated, including myself. I think it's because there is a double P in this word, and P is not the best looking letter amongst other letters, but we need to write it all the time. Like for birthdays, anniversaries, so we need to overcome it. Well, let's see how I would decorate it. In the next video, I'll show you how to write capital I using the word infinity. Thanks guys for staying to the end of the video. The question for the giveaway is what the name of the multiplic I used in writing the word infinity is. It's not hard, is it? So to enter this lucky draw, first you need to be my subscribers, and second, write the correct answer in the comment below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the bell. Good luck and see you next time!